Welcome, today I'm in front of you OPPO Reno8 Lite and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first hold for a while the application and drag this app to another one. Now we can see here that we just create a new home screen folder. If you want to add here more applications by the same way, just hold the app and drag it to the folder. We also can rename the application, the folder. Start with the applications. For example, let's add here the new name, the apps. Just click on the home screen and we can see that our folder successfully renamed. We can move this folder here on the screen by this way. Also we can move it between the screens, and if you want to create the new screen, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag it here. So as you can see, that's so simple to do. If you want to remove the folder, you can hold it, click here, remove, or just remove the folder. Or for example, if you want to stay with this folder and you want to remove one from the applications, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen. If you want to stay with this app on the home screen, or for example if you want to remove this app from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and click here to remove icon, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.